Now let us see an example for converting a deterministic finite automata into a regular expression using state elimination method. Consider this example in which we have three states Q0, Q1 and Q2 with initial state as Q0 and final state also is Q0. We have transition from Q0 to Q1 on input symbol A and Q0 to Q2 with input symbol B. Similarly, we have transitions from Q1 to Q0 on B and Q2 to Q0 on A and Q2 to Q1 on B. In the state elimination method, we normally eliminate the states one after the other so that we have only the initial state and the final state to find the equivalent regular expression. In this problem, we have the Q0 as initial state as well as the final state. Therefore, we have to remove the states Q1 as well as Q2 in order to get the equivalent regular expression. So when we see here, there is a transition from Q0 on A and it comes back to Q0 with B. So there is a loop of Q0 to Q1 with string AB. So when we eliminate this state Q1, then this loop AB, which can be repeatedly any number of times, has to be represented with Q0. Therefore, we can make a self loop of AB which appears any number of times and we can remove this state. But we have to represent there is a transition from Q2 to Q1 on B also with the remaining states. So now when we consider this path Q2 to Q1, again in order to reach Q0 it has to go through B. Therefore, this path of Q2 to Q1 and Q1 to Q0 can be represented in this diagram. Now with Q2 to Q0 with BB. As there was already a transition on A, now there is a possibility on transition to Q0 with BB also. So it has become like Q2 on A or BB, we can reach the state Q0. Now by eliminating this state Q2, again the loop of B followed by A or BB has to be made as the self loop in state Q0. Therefore, here we have a loop which is formed by B followed by A or B followed by BB. This loop has to be represented as a self loop in state Q0. Therefore, if we cut this state Q2, then this has to be replaced with B followed by A or BB. This has to be made as a self loop and we can eliminate this state. Therefore, now from initial state Q0 to final state Q0, we have the possibility of AB which is repeated any number of times or B followed by A or BB which is also repeated n number of times. Therefore, we have here after eliminating Q2, we can write the regular expression as the equivalent regular expression is equal to you have AB or B followed by A or BB, and the whole thing, as it is made as a self loop, it can be repeated 0 times or 1 time or any number of times. Therefore, the equivalent regular expression is AB or B followed by A or BB, which can be repeated any number of times with the closure operator. Thus, we find the equivalent regular expression for the given DFA.